5 things I wish I had packed on my last cruise. Hey, my name's Stuart. This is Ship to Shore Cruise News. Late July, I went on a 4-day cruise out of Long Beach, California. Went to Ensenada and Catalina Island. Had a great time, but there were a couple of things that I wish I had packed, and let's get into it. Let's go for number 5, reusable straws. I have them. I forgot them. I wish I had packed them. I like the reusable straws. They work great. I've got a good pair that I bought off of Amazon. And you know, Carnival, they do have those fancy candy straws. They taste good, but they get all slimy and my fingers get all sticky using them. So I wish I had brought my own reusable straws. Another thing I wish I had brought, cash. I wish I had grabbed cash before I left on my holidays. I flew down to Los Angeles, spent the night in Long Beach, and in the morning I realized I didn't have any cash, and I was rushing around looking for an ATM to have some cash on hand so I could tip the people that I wanted to tip. And also when I was in Ensenada, I wanted to be able to have cash on hand to be able to buy stuff as well. The next item that I wish I had brought, I've never said this before, and this is the first time I'm ever mentioning it, is I wish I had a non-surge protected power bar with USB ports. The ship we were on, it was kind of older. It was an interior cabin for 2, and there weren't that many USB ports to plug into. I think there was only 1 outlet, and I wish we had more USB ports. So I think I'm going to invest in a non-surge protected power bar with USB ports in it. Another thing I wish I had brought with me, I wish I had just brought some band-aids, my own band-aids. I like to pack certain band-aids because I know they like to stick through thick and thin. You can use these band-aids on everything you do and they don't come off. I wish I'd packed some of those and some antibiotic ointment as well. You can get band-aids on board. They're gonna charge you $3 or $4 for 3 little flimsy band-aids that you just don't know if they're gonna stay on or not. What else? Number 5, I wish I had brought some wrinkle release spray. That's right, I'd heard about this stuff and I saw it in action, and you know what? I don't like to have wrinkled clothes. I only packed carry-on luggage, so we squished everything in that we could, and everything ended up getting quite wrinkled. And to be honest, I think I would appreciate that wrinkle spray, non-wrinkle spray, or the wrinkle-free spray. Anyway, I hope you found this list interesting, and just a few little things that you can think about on your next cruise yourself. There's going to be a video here, some more information. I hope you're going to enjoy. Watch it, click on it. Maybe there might be other videos you'll see that you find interesting as well. Anyway, good talking to you. Talk to you later. Bye.